What if the foundation of human health doesn't begin in hospitals or kitchens, but beneath our feet? We often hear the phrase, "You are what you eat." But the truth goes deeper. You are what your food eats. And that story begins in the soil. For decades, modern agriculture has focused on maximizing yield, not protecting the land. Repeated tilling, monocropping, and chemical dependence have stripped soil of its life. Topsoil erodes, nutrients disappear, microbial ecosystems collapse. The result isn't always visible on the plate, but it affects everything from food quality to water systems and climate stability. When soil loses life, food loses resilience. Regenerative agriculture approaches farming differently. Instead of forcing production, it rebuilds natural systems. Soil disturbance is minimized. Crop diversity returns. Living roots stay in the ground year-round. Animals are reintroduced as partners, not disruptors. As these practices take hold, soil begins to recover. Worms return. Fungi reconnect roots. Microbes rebuild nutrient pathways. The land starts working with the farmer rather than against it. Healthier soil produces healthier crops. Plants grown in living soil develop deeper roots, stronger structures, and richer nutrient profiles. This isn't just about yield. It's about density, taste, and resilience. From farm to market to kitchen, regenerative principles travel with the food. What begins underground ends on the plate. And the difference is measurable. Regenerative agriculture doesn't stop at nutrition. Healthy soil stores carbon, helping stabilize the climate. It absorbs water, reducing flood and drought impact. It restores habitats, bringing biodiversity back into balance. These farms aren't just producing food. They're rebuilding ecosystems. This system doesn't exist without participation. Supporting regenerative farms, reducing food waste, composting, or growing even small amounts at home, all reconnect food back to soil. Change doesn't start with perfection. It starts with awareness. Regenerative agriculture isn't a trend. It's a blueprint, one that traces health from soil to plant to plate and back again. Because when the soil heals, everything above it follows.